dad just passed away. Love you, brother. I'm gonna miss you, man. Miss you, brother. I hate that you went out like that. You know, I don't want you to go out no way. You know what I'm saying? But I hope your mom and your sister's doing fine, and you ain't having playing the hell out of every instrument up there doing your thing. I miss you, Tony. I'm definitely gonna be recording a song for you. Love you, brother. Please. Now, what I like to do, do this for my other student named Kyle. What up, Kyle? I had to get my after jerk going on. You know what I'm saying? I'm a funk man. But don't forget, I took you into a lot of different emotions of playing. Let me get this camera right on the other one. Sorry. So, much better. So what I like to do is get you back in your scales. Now you do have this book. We do know that. You know, which is the Mel Bay Bass Scale and Tablature book, which is good. Which is a good book. It's a good book. Real good book. Okay. Now, but let's do some of my stuff, which is going to start with a C major scale. And as we doing the C major scale, we're going to talk about. I like to cut the TV off if you don't mind. Give me 1 second, Kyle. All right. Okay. This is live, so but really cool. It's gonna only get better. I want to get my new place in. Now, keep in mind, I'm gonna be showing you a real valuable technique. You already been doing it already, but you said you like it better than some of the stuff in the book. And it's the 2-4-1 scale. But what's gonna happen with this 2-4-1 scale, Kyle, is that we is gonna learn our key signal. We're gonna learn first of all, you're gonna learn your key, how many notes in your key. You're gonna learn that what's sharp and what's not, and you're gonna sort things gonna sort of like be like a light bulb, and gonna like bam, beep. Oh, I know what's happening now. All right. Well, first of all, let's start with a C major scale, and my scale is the again 2-4-1. That's my scale. I'm turning this a little bit so we can see some more. Get new all this technology stuff with this camera. They make music look different. So there we go. So we got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's ascending. Now if we descend, and look how smooth I'm playing those notes. You don't want to hear. You don't want that. That's what we want to eliminate. Try not to have that at all. You know what I'm saying? So here we go again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. All right. Now, second. Now, what we're going to do is the reason why it's called the circle of fifths. You got to count 5 up in the previous key, which we have. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. See that? Make sure it's clear. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Right? But if I count 5 up, I'm going to find my next key in the key signature, circle of fifths. That's why it's called the circle of fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what you got to do is know what that note is, which is G. But you don't start your scale here. You could. You can start the G there, but I don't want you to do that yet. I want you to go make sure you know the difference between your third and your fourth string. So now we go to the fourth string. You just do an octave. D ball. That's what I just did. Watch that. Watch this again. That's the high G, then low G. Ball. D ball. D ball. See what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool right there. You know what I mean? So now here's where we're gonna go and do our G scale 2-4-1. scale. Same identical scale, just like the C. See what I'm saying? So G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. G has one sharp, which is F sharp. Then we go to the 5 steps up. Second. Then we go to the 5 second. It takes a snapshot. Then we go to the 5 steps to the what? Well, if we're in G, you go 5 steps up in G because G is the first letter in the alphabet. So it's going to be G, G, A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm at my D. Now what I want to do is play my scale there. Now, C has no sharps and no flats. G has one, which is F sharp. All right. Now we go 5 steps up in the key of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we got our D. Then we got D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing. So now let's say our notes. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Again, 2 sharps. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, back to D. Now, a good way to understand your sharps too is remember, like you just did your C, right? Then you went to your G, right? If you count the 7th note in the key of G, you'll find out that's your F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So every key you get into, those sharps falls in place, but the new sharp is always the 7th degree. Get what I mean? I can show you again. For instance, G has one sharp, right? G, A, B, G. I got to change it. There's a little bit more. There we go. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. If I count those notes as numeral numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my new sharp. Then back to G. Then I go 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, D is my next key. Don't forget, you find your key signature through your previous key. Find your key signature through your previous key that you started in first. First, you play the scale, then ascend and descend the scale, then you count up 5 steps inside the scale, play the scale up to 5 steps and find out, oh, next key that's going to be, I got to play it is in G. The reason why we have to do these things because a lot of people can't sing in every key. Some people can sing just in C. Sometimes you got to write songs just in C for people. Then some people can sing in D, and then some people can sing in A flat or some other odd keys. But the main thing is a great bassist or a great guitarist or a great musician overall, her or him, need to understand the circle of fifths and the 12 tones that we use and the 12 keys that we use to make music in this world. So this is what's going to open up your eyes and make you a better bass player also too. Then you can really talk to other people and stuff like that, other musicians, and y'all can collaborate, right? This is crazy. Anyway, let's get back. So don't forget, every new key you get, like C has no sharps and no flats. Can't help that. But then when you count up 5 steps in C, you see you get your G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. I'm always working off the octave. I'm on my 4th string. Don't forget, we're working only on the 3rd and 4th string, not the 1st and 2nd string. We'll get to that. You know, your book's sort of getting you there, but I'm trying to get you into your foundation much more. Now, what's happening is when you get to your G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, has only one sharp, F sharp. So if I go 5 steps up in G, G, A, B, C, D. Oh, okay. So I got D now. So I'm in the key of D because the chick says, I sing in D because it's really high. C is too low. So she sings in ah, ah. So different ranges for like women. Different men can sing those high notes too, but then a straight up tenor, it'll be ah. So I'm in the key of D. So everything we play in D, he sings. Okay. So D has two sharps. So if a singer was singing, he'd be saying do re mi fa sol la ti do, do re mi fa sol la ti do. See what I'm saying? You know, chick, do re mi fa sol la ti do. You know, but you got to say just D E F sharp G A B C sharp. So you got two sharps. You got an F sharp and a C sharp. So D E F sharp G A B C sharp. Back to D. 5 steps up in D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Right above, right below the D, which is the fourth string, will be A. So your homework assignment is to take this, what I just done, and improve on it and give me A, give me E, give me B, give me F sharp and C sharp, and then you'll know your key signatures. Don't forget you're using the 2-4-1, the same pattern. And let me show you something just to keep you on point. Third fret, C, that's your root. C. Below G, D, A, E, B, C sharp, F sharp. Notice my second finger is the lead off, remember? Da da dee, da 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 da, ba ba da da dee, da 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 da, da ba da da da, da 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 dee, ba ba da da dee. See? Da 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 dee, ba ba da da da, da 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 dee, da 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 dee. All right, cool. Now let's work on. You said you want to learn. What's that? Oh, not Spanish Castle Magic, but Purple Haze. I got so much stuff on my mind, man. It's crazy, dog. But I'm having fun. All right, so Purple Haze, and pay attention. This is a starting off with a B flat diminish in the 6th fret, and you hitting with your. See how I want you to do this. If you can, use your second finger and third finger. So your root is B flat, but then the flat 5th is the E. Now you can do, I think you should, do 1 and 2. And then when you hear the guitar come in, then you go to E. Notice I'm hitting the low 4th string open and then hitting the octave on the 7th fret. That's all. You know what I'm saying? Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Da 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 da. Dear, 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 dear. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Bam, bam, G A. Yeah, bam, 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 bam. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So he's slurring on that. He's slurring. He's slurring. You can start your baby figure if you notice. So, see what I'm saying? After you get comfortable, you can start playing anything you want to do in there, man. You can do all types of stuff. All right? So, there you go, my friend. I'll see you later. Whew.